soy Ariannita, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see from the title of my video, we are going to the Reds game, and we are going to the baseball stadium where we are going to watch the game and learn English there. As you can see behind me, we are right in the center of the city of Cincinnati, and we have a bunch of tall buildings behind me. The Cincinnati Reds are part of the MLB, which stands for Major League Baseball. So come along with me and let's go ahead and teach you guys some English and watch the game. You might wonder how I got here. I actually got dropped off by the Cincinnati streetcar that has a line directly from my apartment all the way to the Ohio River, which is where the Cincinnati Reds Stadium is at. Behind me is the Cincinnati Reds Stadium, and it is huge. It is right by the Ohio River, and I'm super excited to walk inside. In order to go to the game, you need to buy tickets. What are the ways to buy tickets? So the first way is online, like an app like Ticketmaster, which I did, where they will send you a ticket and you'll have to scan the barcode inside. The next way is you can actually buy tickets right over there, and they have the ticket station where you have to wait in a line, and sometimes it's actually cheaper to buy at the stadium. And the third way, there are sellers that are on the street literally saying, tickets, you need tickets? So those are the three ways to buy tickets, and let's go and walk inside. I'm about to walk inside to the Great American Ballpark to watch the game. But before I walk inside, I have a question for you guys. I know that baseball is a very popular sport in Latin America, but I just wanted to ask you, what is the ambience? What do you feel here? Do you feel like it's noisy? Do you feel like it's cleaner here? Do you feel like it's full of people? Do you feel like it's more organized just by seeing the background and everyone behind me? Let me know down below if you see a difference between the stadiums in America compared to your country. Now let's go! Now I'm going to enter the stadium with the ticket guy who is going to scan my code with the barcode. Thank you. Next, I'm going through the security. Thank you. Now that I have entered the stadium, I have to find my seat. And the only way to find my seat is to follow the signs on the ceiling. So I have to look for my section to find my seat. Hey guys, I just got to my section and now I'm going to sit in my seat. I am in the lower section, but as you can see to my left, that is called the upper deck, and it's much higher than the lower seats. Now that I just sat down, I'm going to relax and enjoy the game. But as you can see around me, there's not many people. And why is that? Because I'm sitting in the visitor section, which is kind of weird because I'm rooting for the Reds and everyone around me is wearing blue. Anyway, in a little bit, I'm going to walk around and show you guys some stores that they have here. Also, I might grab some food and some snacks, either from the shops they have here or from the vendors selling food. But first, let's talk about the game and teach you guys some English. Now the pitchers have a time limit, so the game will go by much faster. They have also made another small change to the stadium. They made the bases a little bit bigger, so the players playing the game can touch the bases faster and try not to get out. Major League Baseball are making these small changes because they are in competition with other sports like American football and soccer. Because as you can see around me, there are not many fans at this game. So making these changes, like making the bases a little bit bigger and having deals with food and drinks, makes people want to come to the game. Now that we're in the second inning, I'm getting pretty hungry, and I'm gonna look for some options like the hot dogs they have here, hamburgers, typical American food that is fast food. And I'm also going to look for some peanuts and Cracker Jacks, famous in American ballparks. And come along with me and let's go get some food. Before getting some food, I just walked past this little area right here. And behind me It's where broadcasters will report about all things baseball. Actually, there's no one behind me right now, which I'm not sure why, because the game is going on right now. Maybe before or after the game, the broadcasters will be there to talk more about baseball. But right now, they're probably on their break. Now I'm in the cafeteria section to get some food, but I'm not sure what to get just yet. Behind me, they have a pizzeria, which is actually a local pizzeria, La Rosa's. And here they have a bunch of local restaurants where locals like me love their food and will buy it here in the stadium. They also have some hot dogs and sausage, which is famous in baseball. People love to eat it at the games. They also have Penn Station subs, which is also really good. But my favorite thing of all time that they have here is the Skyline Chili. And this is only famous in the city of Cincinnati, which they sell their famous conies, which is basically a hot dog with chili and cheese on top. That might sound a little bit gross to you, but for me, I love it. I just bought 2 conies from Skyline Chili, and guess how much it cost me? It cost me $7 for each hot dog, which comes up to $14. Would you pay $7 for a hot dog? Let me know down below. And what are the normal prices for a hot dog in your country? Normally, stadium prices are super high and inflated because a lot of fans will come and buy food. Before heading back to my seat to eat my hot dogs, I wanted to show you guys the beverage section. This is for all the fans that want to come here and drink and eat their food. Also, did you know that a beer at the stadium, just one beer, costs $10? For me, that is a bit outrageous because stadium prices are even pricier compared to prices that you pay at the grocery store. Now I'm going to eat my food and enjoy the game, and after I eat, I'm going to teach all of you guys English vocab and words about baseball. I know that some of you guys know baseball rules, but also some people don't. So let's see how many words you guys know. I just finished eating both of my $7 hot dogs, but now I'm going to teach all of you guys baseball vocabulary with Ariannitalagringa. First off, the game has 9 innings, so that means that the game can end whenever it wants because each inning has no time limit. Now let's talk about how the game works. So there's one guy that throws the ball and one guy that hits the ball. The guy that throws the ball is called a pitcher, and the guy that hits the ball is called a batter. The key for the batter is to hit the ball and score a run. And the batter only has 3 strikes, so if each time he swings and he misses, that is called a strikeout. And 3 strikes and he's out. And the next batter will be up next. The batter only gets 4 balls, and after 4 balls, he will advance to the first base. How do you know when a pitcher throws the ball if it's a strike or another ball? Each batter has an imaginary box that if they hit the ball and he misses, that is called a strike. But if the pitcher throws outside the imaginary box, that is just another ball for the batter. And who is the person that sets these rules and judges if the ball is inside the imaginary box or not? That person is called the umpire. Baseball may be a very difficult sport to understand and learn, but these things that I just told you guys are just a little bit of the facts and vocab that you may need to know if you attend a game like I'm doing right now. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and watch more of the game, and I'll teach you guys some more English when I'm walking around, if I'm visiting a store. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. There are small shows or activities that they do each inning, and they have people that will drive around in a golf cart around the stadium, literally on the field, and shoot up some shirts so the fans can grab them and take them home. This is another great way to attract more fans to come to the stadium and enjoy the activities they have here. Another great thing about coming to the stadium and watching the game is coming and buying things at the Red store. So come along with me and let's see what we can find. I'm inside the baseball store, so let's see what items they have. So they have some caps that you can put on your head. This is kind of small for me though. Let me see the price of it. $40 for a hat. Okay, let's move on. That's kind of expensive. They have some flags you can buy for your house. They also have some mugs, some cups you can buy for your house to, drink a sip of coffee in the morning. They also have some magnets. These magnets will go on your refrigerator. And right here, they have some jerseys. So this is a jersey that I can buy and wear to the game. As you can see, I'm just wearing all red, so I don't have any Reds attire. I'm not, a real fan since I don't have my Reds jersey. But look, this is a small and this is exactly my size, but let me see the price. $150 for a jersey. Let me know down below if you think this price is reasonable to sell at a store in the stadium. For me, this is pricey for my budget, so I'm not gonna buy it here. I might buy it in a different store, but definitely not here. And look at this cutest little jersey I found. This is not for babies. This jersey is for dogs. Can you believe it? I wanted to buy this for my dog, but I was reading right here and they have the sizes based on the weight of the dog. And my dog, Ozuna, is a Maltipoo, so he's not gonna be pretty big. So a medium might be a little bit too big for him. Okay, everybody, we are in the last inning, the 9th inning, and the game is about to end just like this video, which I'm really sad about because I had a great time filming it. Anyways, go ahead and subscribe and give me a like for this YouTube video if you liked it. And leave a comment down below where I should go to next and explore to teach all of you guys some more English vocab.